What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. If you are enjoying this series, please consider subscribing, but let's get right into this one. So errors. Humans are prone to making mistakes. Humans are also typically in charge of creating computer programs. To compensate, programming languages attempt to understand and explain mistakes made in their programs. Python refers to these as errors and will point to the location where an error is located using the, what do you guys call this? I just usually call it like an upwards caret, like the up symbol, I guess. And then when programs throw errors that we didn't expect to encounter, we call those errors bugs. So programmers call the process of updating the program so produces it no longer produces unexpected errors as debugging. So the two types of common errors we'll encounter is the syntax error and the name error. The syntax means that there's something wrong with how our program is written. Perhaps it's punctuation, a command where it's not expected, or it's missing a parentheses to trigger a syntax error. A name error occurs when the Python interpreter sees a word that it does not recognize. So code that contains something that looks like a variable but was never defined will throw a name error. Okay, so you might encounter a syntax error if you open a string with a single quote and end with double quotes. Update the string so that it starts and ends with the same punctuation. You might encounter a name error if you try to print a single word string but fail to put any quotes around it. Python expects the word of your string to be defined elsewhere but can't find where it's defined. So add quotes on either side of the string to squash this bug. So go ahead and update the malformed strings in the workspace to all be strings. Alright, so go ahead and set this to be a string here and then run it. Okay, what's the issue? Okay, right there, you see how it started with a single quote, but it's ending with a double quote, so that can't happen. And let's try it right now, and we're good. There you go. So that basically was it. Yeah, there you go. And that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. That was errors in Python, and I hope you did like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.